Hey there, Etsy sellers! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for all things Etsy and creative entrepreneurship. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of makers, crafters, and small business owners. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for any small business: budgeting. We'll explore how project management principles can help you create and maintain a budget that keeps your Etsy shop on track. Get your calculators ready, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. Why budgeting matters for small businesses on Etsy. Budgeting might not be the most glamorous part of running a small business, but it's one of the most important. A budget is essentially a financial roadmap that guides your business decisions, helps you allocate resources, and ensures that you're profitable. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, miss out on growth opportunities, or even run into financial trouble. Let's explore why budgeting matters for small businesses on Etsy. Financial control. A budget helps you take control of your finances. It gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Profitability. Budgeting allows you to set profit targets and track your progress. This helps you ensure that your Etsy shop is profitable and sustainable in the long term. Resource allocation. With a budget, you can allocate resources efficiently. This means knowing how much to spend on inventory, marketing, shipping, and other business expenses. Risk management. A well-planned budget can help you manage financial risks. By setting aside funds for emergencies and unexpected expenses, you can avoid financial stress when challenges arise. By understanding the importance of budgeting, you can see how it fits into the larger picture of project management for your Etsy business. Now, let's explore some project management principles that can help you create an effective budget. Project management principles for budgeting. Project management involves planning, organizing, and executing tasks to achieve specific goals. When it comes to budgeting, these principles can guide you in creating a budget that supports your Etsy business's growth. Here's how to apply project management principles to budgeting. Define your goals. Start by defining your budgeting goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Are you aiming for a specific profit margin? Do you want to invest in new equipment or expand your product line? Clearly defining your goals helps you create a budget that aligns with your business objectives. Plan your budget. Once you have your goals, create a detailed budget plan. This plan should include all sources of income, such as sales revenue and other streams like wholesale or affiliate marketing. It should also list all expenses, including inventory, shipping, marketing, and overhead costs. Don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. Organize your budget. Organize your budget into categories to make it easier to manage. Common categories include revenue, cost of goods sold (COGS), operating expenses, and profit. This structure helps you track your finances and identify areas where you can cut costs or increase revenue. Set a timeline. Project management is about timelines, and your budget should include a timeline too. Set monthly, quarterly, and annual budgets to track your progress. This timeline helps you see if you're on track to meet your financial goals and allows you to adjust if needed. Monitor and adjust. A budget is not set in stone. It's a dynamic tool that requires constant monitoring and adjustment. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying within your planned expenses and meeting your revenue targets. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust your budget. By applying these project management principles, you can create a budget that supports your Etsy business's growth and financial health. Now, let's delve into some practical budgeting tips for Etsy sellers. With a solid understanding of project management principles, let's explore some practical budgeting tips that can help you stay on track and make the most of your resources. These tips are designed specifically for Etsy sellers, taking into account the unique challenges and opportunities of running an online shop. Track your expenses. One of the first steps in budgeting is to track all your expenses. This includes inventory costs, shipping fees, marketing expenses, and other overhead costs. Use budgeting software or a simple spreadsheet to keep track of every expense. This practice will help you identify where your money is going and spot any unnecessary spending. Separate business and personal finances. Keep your business and personal finances separate. This means having a separate bank account for your Etsy shop and using it exclusively for business transactions. This separation makes budgeting easier and ensures that your personal finances don't get mixed up with business expenses. Set a budget for inventory. Inventory is a significant expense for Etsy sellers, so it's essential to set a budget for it. Consider the cost of materials, production, and storage when creating your inventory budget. Be mindful of overstocking, as this can tie up your capital and lead to unsold products. Allocate funds for marketing. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic and sales, but it can also be costly. Allocate a specific percentage of your budget to marketing and track the return on investment (ROI) for each marketing campaign. This helps you focus on marketing strategies that deliver the best results. Plan for taxes and other obligations. Don't forget about taxes and other financial obligations. Set aside funds for taxes, licensing fees, and other regulatory costs. This practice will help you avoid surprises when tax season arrives. Create an emergency fund. A budget should include an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to set aside a portion of your revenue for emergencies, such as equipment repairs, supply chain disruptions, or sudden drops in sales. This fund provides a financial safety net and reduces stress during challenging times. By implementing these practical budgeting tips, you can create a budget that supports your Etsy business's growth and keeps your finances in check. Now, let's explore how you can use project management tools to streamline your budgeting process. Using project management tools for budgeting. Project management tools can make budgeting easier and more efficient. These tools help you organize your budget, track expenses, and monitor progress. Here are some popular project management tools that can assist with budgeting for Etsy sellers. Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. You can create a board for budgeting and add cards for different categories, such as revenue, expenses, and profit. Trello's flexibility makes it easy to customize your budgeting process. Asana. Asana is a comprehensive project management platform that allows you to create tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. You can use Asana to create a budget plan and set reminders for important deadlines, such as tax filings or inventory orders. Asana's collaboration features make it ideal for teams. Monday.com. Monday.com is another project management tool that offers customizable workflows. You can create a budgeting workflow that includes income tracking, expense monitoring, and profit calculation. This platform's versatility makes it a great choice for complex budgeting processes. Excel or Google Sheets. Excel and Google Sheets are classic tools for budgeting. You can create custom spreadsheets to track your finances, create budgets, and perform financial calculations. Google Sheets has the added benefit of real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams. By using project management tools, you can streamline your budgeting process and ensure that you're staying on track with your financial goals. These tools also make it easier to share budgeting information with your team or business partners. That's a wrap. Budgeting for small businesses on Etsy is a critical part of ensuring financial health and growth. By applying project management principles and using practical budgeting tips, you can create a budget that keeps your Etsy shop on track. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your business, budgeting is the key to success. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Etsy sellers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your Etsy business. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting, and may your Etsy shop be filled with success and prosperity.